Hi, I'm Scott, Development Chef for Panasonic. And in this video, I'm going to show to you how we can create a beautiful chicken and chorizo kebab. To build our kebab, we're going to stick a cherry tomato just at the start and then alternate between the chicken, chorizo and peppers until we've filled up the kebab, and finally just close it off with another cherry tomato. To cook, I'm going to place this onto my Teflon basket and just give it a little spray of oil just to help with the cook when it's in the Panasonic high-speed oven. The profile that I'll be using is microwave P6, utilising the grill on low with a 70% setting. The total cook time for this is going to be 1 minute and 50. Once the kebabs come out of the oven, I can see that the chicken is still nice, juicy and moist, thanks to the inverted technology of the Panasonic oven. For me, cooking the kebabs through the Panasonic high-speed oven means that I'm going to get consistent, perfect results every time.